Hey y'all, this is Logan McDowall. This is my first official YouTube video, and I'm just gonna see how this whole YouTube thing goes. So feel free to like and share and leave a comment on this video, and please subscribe. Just let me know what you think about this video. Start off the videos, I guess. I'm gonna start with a song I wrote myself. And it's about me and my girl when we went to a carnival, and we're at the very top of the Ferris wheel and it started raining, and we ran forever and ever, and we're trying to find our car because I parked on the way opposite end of the of the carnival. And so she just kind of stopped me in the midst of the panic and everything, and she said, "Just kiss me." And so I thought it was really cool, and so I just wanted to capture that moment. So anyways, here's a song called "Kissing in the Rain," and I hope y'all enjoy. Saturday night in Idaho, how the night would end we'd never know. I was just happy that you were there with me. On a Ferris wheel 1,000 feet tall, from the very top you could see it all. Like the clouds, there was a storm a-coming. When we got off that ride, I ran and you ran holding hands. Why did I park on the far end? I know that you know that I only had one thing in mind. You stopped me in my tracks, wrapped your arms around my back, and you said, "Just kiss me in the rain. Just kiss me in the rain." Taking you home a little too late, gotta let you out on another day. He was mad, sweetheart, it was worth it. On my way home I had a smile, ear to ear for a mile. It was you, baby, you were the reason I had a dream that night. I ran and you ran holding hands. Why did I park on the far end? I know that you know that I only had one thing in mind. Because you're my everything, I would give anything to spend one more night just kissing in the rain. Just kissing in the rain. I ran and you ran holding hands. Why did I park on the far end? I know that you know that I only had one thing in mind. Because you're my everything, I would give anything to spend one more night just kissing in the rain. 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 thank y'all very much for watching all the way through. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe to my channel. And I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you very much.